A bank statement is more than just a record of your transactions. It's a key document that helps you track your finances, achieve for loans, even securable. If you have a BDO savings account, you might need a bank statement for various reasons. But how do you get one? Do you need to visit a branch, or can you do it online? In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about getting a BDO bank statement. Whether you prefer using the BDO online banking portal mobile app or visiting a branch, we'll guide you step by step. We'll also cover fees, processing times, and the easiest ways to get your statement hassle-free. Stay with us until the end so you don't miss any important details. Why you might need a BDO bank statement. BDO bank statement is more than just a list of transactions. It serves as an important document that helps in various financial situations. Whether you are applying for a loan, visa, or just tracking your expenses, having access to your statement is essential. Many people don't realize how useful a bank statement can be until they need one. One of the most common reasons people request a bank statement is for loan applications. Banks and lending institutions need to see your financial history before approving a loan. Your bank statement acts as proof of your income and spending habits. It helps lenders assess if you are financially stable enough to repay the loan. Without a statement, your loan application might be delayed or even rejected. Getting a BDO bank statement online, BDO online banking mobile apps. The easiest and fastest way to get your BDO bank statement is through BDO online banking or the BDO mobile app. You don't need to visit a bank, wait in long lines, or fill out forms. Everything can be done from your computer or smartphone anytime and anywhere. If you are already enrolled in BDO online banking, getting your statement will only take a few minutes. If you are not yet enrolled, don't worry, we will guide you through the entire process. To begin, let's look at how to register for BDO online banking if you haven't done so. Open your browser and go to the BDO online banking website. Click on not yet enrolled, enroll now, and choose the type of account you have. You will be asked to provide details like your account number, card number, and personal information. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid issues. Once you complete the form, BDO will send an activation email. Click the link in the email to activate your online banking account. Now, you're ready to log in and access your bank statement. Getting a BDO bank statement from a BDO branch. Sometimes you may prefer to get a BDO bank statement directly from a BDO branch. This method is useful if you need an official stamped copy or if you're having trouble accessing your statement online. Although it requires visiting the bank, the process is straightforward if you know what to do in advance. First, make sure you bring the necessary requirements. You will need a valid government-issued ID and your BDO account details. If you are requesting a statement on behalf of someone else, you will need an authorization letter and a copy of the account holder's ID. It's also a good idea to bring your BDO, ATM card or passbook to verify your account details. Getting a BDO bank statement via email request. If you cannot visit a BDO branch or access BDO online banking, you can request your bank statement via email. This method is useful when you need an official copy but cannot go to the bank in person. It's also helpful if your online banking account is locked or you are having trouble downloading your statement from the BDO mobile app. In the subject line, write request for bank statement, your full name. This helps customer service identify your request quickly. In the body of the email, include the following details. 1. Your full name as registered with BDO. 2. BDO savings account number. 3. The specific time period for the statement, e.g. last 3 months, last 6 months, or a specific date range. 4. Reason for requesting the bank statement, optional but helpful for faster processing. 5. A request for an official stamped statement if needed. 6. A copy of a valid ID attached to the email. Before sending your email, double check that all the information is correct. If any details are missing, BDO may reject or delay your request. Fees and processing time for a BDO bank statement. When requesting a BDO bank statement, it's important to understand the fees and processing time. Whether you're getting it online, via email, or from a branch, different methods have different costs and waiting periods. Knowing these details will help you choose the most convenient way to get your statement. Getting a BDO bank statement online, fees and processing time. If you use BDO online banking or the BDO mobile app, you can download your bank statement for free. There are no charges for viewing or downloading past transactions. However, online statements are typically available for only the last 3 to 6 months. If you need an older statement, you might have to request it from a branch or via email. The processing time for online statements is instant. You can log in anytime and download your statement within minutes. However, if you have forgotten your password or your account is locked, it may take a few days to regain access. Resetting your account may require visiting a branch, which could delay your request. Getting a BDO bank statement via email, fees and processing time. Requesting a BDO bank statement via email is also free, but the processing time can vary. BDO customer service usually takes 1 to 5 business days to process email requests. If you need an official stamped copy, they may ask you to visit a branch to pick it up. Since email requests take longer than online banking, this method is best for people who cannot access their account online but don't need an urgent statement. If you need the statement quickly, following up with a phone call may help speed up the process. Getting a BDO bank statement from a branch, fees and processing time. If you visit a BDO branch to request a printed bank statement, there may be a processing fee. Some branches provide the latest 3 months of statements for free, but older statements or multiple copies may cost PHP 50 to PHP 200 per request. It's always best to ask the bank officer about any fees before proceeding. For urgent requests, you can ask if same-day processing is available. If not, you may need to return the next day to pick up your statement. If you need a certified true copy, the bank officer will stamp and sign it before giving it to you. Other factors that can affect processing time. 1. Public holidays and weekends. BDO does not process email requests on Saturdays, Sundays, or public holidays. If you send a request on a Friday, you may not receive a response until Monday or Tuesday. 2. System maintenance. Sometimes BDO online banking may be unavailable due to maintenance. 3. Account inactivity. If your BDO account has been inactive for a long time, your records may not be immediately available. In such cases, BDO may ask for additional verification before processing your request. 4. High volume of requests. If many customers are requesting bank statements at the same time, such as during loan application season or visa processing periods, BDO may take longer than usual to respond. Choosing the best option for you. If you need a BDO bank statement quickly and for free, BDO online banking is the best option. You can download your statement instantly. If you cannot log in online, sending an email request is the next best option. However, it may take a few days to process. If you need an official stamped copy, visiting a BDO branch is the best choice. Just be prepared for possible fees and waiting times. Understanding the fees and processing time for getting a BDO bank statement will help you plan ahead. If you have an urgent need, always check the available options to see which method works best for you. In the next section, we will discuss common issues and solutions when requesting a BDO bank statement. Getting a BDO bank statement is easy if you know the right method. Whether you need it for a loan application, visa processing, or financial tracking, there are several ways to obtain it. The fastest and most convenient option is BDO online banking, where you can download your statement instantly for free. If online access is not possible, you can request it via email or visit a BDO branch for a printed and stamped copy.